Today I will teach you about the polynomial part third. Exercise 2.3. Divide the polynomial. Question number first. Px by the polynomial gx and find remainder and quotient. First part, Px is equal to x cube 3x square 5x 3 gx is equal to x square minus 2. How can you divide px by gx? X square minus 2 x cube 3x square 5x minus 3. First we read the table in x cube. How can you read the table? X cube upon x square, we will get x. The table is to be read x times. Now we multiply x to x square and minus 2. We will get x cube minus 2x. Now change the sign. We will get 3x square plus 7x. Now again divide 3x square upon x square. We will get minus 3. Now multiply 3x square minus का और प्लस का 6. Then we get change the sign 7x minus 9. So the quotient x minus 3, remainder 7x minus 9. Now first we write gx in the order x square minus x plus 1. Now divide gx by px. So x square minus x plus 1 x4 3x square 4x plus 5. We will get, if we divide the x4, then we get x square. Now multiply each term by x square. We will get x4 minus 3x cube plus minus x square. We will get x cube minus 1 and plus x square. Now change the sign. We will get 4x square x cube minus 4x square plus 4x. Now divide, then we get x plus का x cube minus x square plus x. Now change the sign, then we get माइनस का 3x² प्लस का 3x+5. Now divide again, then we get -3. We get 3x² plus 3x -3. Then we get only 8. So we get quotient x² x -3. Remainder 8. एच डब्ल्यू में आपको एक क्वेश्चन करना है. पी एक्स इक्वल टू x4 मानो 5x प्लस 6. जी एक्स इक्वल टू 2 माइनस x². Now check the value of the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial by dividing second polynomial by the first polynomial. If the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial, then we divide t² minus 3, 2t4, 3t cube, 2t square on 90 minus 12. Then we get no remainder. 2t4, 3t cube, 2t square, 90 minus 12. Now divide, we get 2t square. Now multiply 2t4 minus 6t square. Then we get, after changing sign, we will get 3t cube plus 4t square. Not divide again, then we get plus का 3t. Now multiply 3t cube minus 90. Then we get 4t square minus 12. This coming here. Now again multiply, divide by 4t square by t square. Then we get plus 4. 4t square minus 12. Then we get no remainder. So we can say t square minus 3 is a factor of the polynomial 2t4, 3t cube, 2t square, 90 minus 12. If the first polynomial is the factor of the second polynomial, then after dividing the first polynomial to second polynomial, then we get no remainder. Then we can say that the first polynomial is a factor of the second polynomial. Now we divide x square 3x4. Then we get 3x square. 3x4 प्लस का 9x क्यूब प्लस का 3x स्क्वायर माइनस का 4x क्यूब माइनस का 10x स्क्वायर प्लस का 2x डाल दिया हमने. नाउ डिवाइड 4x cube, then we get minus 4x. We get minus 4x cube minus का 12x square minus का 4x. Then we get 2x square plus 6x plus 2. Now we divide again, then we get 2. 2x square 6x plus 2. After changing sign, each term is to be cut. We get the remainder 0. So x square 3x plus 1 is a factor of the polynomial 3x4 5x cube 7x square 2x plus 2. X cube 3x plus 1 is the first polynomial, and x5 4x cube x square 3x plus 1. Obtain all other zeros of 3x4 6x cube 2x square 10x minus 5. If 2 of its 0 are root 5 upon 3 and root 5 upon 3. Solution: if two zeros root 5 upon 3 and one root of root 5 upon 3, then x minus root 5 upon 3 x plus root 5 upon 3, we get x square 5 upon 3. Now dividing first polynomial x square 5 upon 3 to the polynomial 3x 4 plus का 6x cube 2x square 10x minus 5. Then we divide the x square to 3x4, we get 3x square. We get 3x4 minus 5x square. Because multiply 5 on 3 to the 3x square, we get 5x square. We put the like term in the like term. Now after changing the sign, we get 6x cube plus 3x square minus 10x. Now divide again, we get 6x cube माइनस, अब इसको निकालेंगे, माइनस के इसको उतारने पड़ेगा हमारे लिए. If we multiply 513 into 6x, we get 10x. After change the sign, we get 3x square minus 5. Again multiply, divide x square by 3x square, we get 3 प्लस का, b गेट 3x स्क्वायर माइनस, b गेट द क्वोटिएंट 3x स्क्वायर 6x प्लस 3, सिक्स एक्स प्लस 3. Now 3 is common, x square 2x plus 1. We will get this is the whole square of the x plus 1 whole square. Now write 2 times x plus 1 plus 0. X power minus 1 minus 1 are the 2 0 of the polynomial. Question number 4. On dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial gx, the quotient and the remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4. Find gx. We are given quotient x minus 2, remainder 2x plus 4, and px you are given x cube 3x square x plus 2. Gx is to be unknown quantity. We have to know that px equal to qx into gx plus rx. ठीक है, पॉलिनोमियल इक्वल टू होता है क्वोटिएंट इनटू gx प्लस रिमाइंडर. नाउ पुट दिस वैल्यू x क्यूब 3x स्क्वायर x प्लस 2, qx x minus 2 gx and plus minus 2x plus 4. Now transfer this term on the left hand side, x cube 3x square x plus 2 plus का 2x minus का 4 इक्वल टू x minus 2 और gx. हमने क्या करा कि 2x माइनस 2x प्लस 4 के लिए लेफ्ट हैंड साइड के ट्रांसफर कर दिया, तो आपका x क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 2 प्लस 2x माइनस 4 बचता है. नाउ कलेक्ट दिस लाइक टर्म x क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x माइनस 2 इक्वल टू gx इंटू x माइनस 2. gx इक्वल टू एक्स क्यूब 3x स्क्वायर 3x माइनस 2 अपॉन x माइनस 2. बी डिवाइडिंग दी पॉलिनोमियल x क्यूब माइनस 3x स्क्वायर प्लस 3x माइनस 2 बाई x माइनस 2. x क्यूब then we get x square. After multiplying x square x and minus 2, then we get x cube minus 2x square. We get 1x square plus 3x. Now again multiply, divide x by 1x square. Then we get x square plus 2x. After changing sign, we get x minus 2. If we divide x by x, then we get quotient 1. Quotient multiply by the x minus 2. Then we get x minus 2. After changing sign, we get no remainder. So gx is equal to x square minus x plus 1 as a real.